So they are only 4 attackers. So that jeep. So they took different directions.
This we believe to be CCTV footage. As you can see, the time stamp on that is 3:32 earlier this afternoon, just around the time that the police said this attack took place, and there appeared to be 4 attackers. Again, this is footage that we're showing you, CCTV footage taken from Dusit Hotel. If you are familiar with this is that courtyard coming in, and you can see the parking slot where you collect your tickets, and these appear to be 3 individuals accessing the premises, and there's another one coming through. So like we said, we didn't know this until now. The CCTV footage showing at least 4 attackers entering the premises, and as you can see the timestamp, that's at 28 minutes to 4 o'clock, or 3:32 earlier this afternoon. And so that is a footage that we're bringing in to you right away. So we want to continue to get more information about this. So this CCTV footage is what we can show you right now. At least we're seeing 4 attackers, but we have more information regarding the car or the vehicle that exploded outside, and Hassan Mugambi joins us now to give us more details. Hassan, what more, or rather, what have you learned about this vehicle that exploded? And this is what we were told even with the police briefing. Hassan?
The vehicle that was left outside that particular, the main entrance of the Dusit D2. Remember, they are reported to have left the vehicle that they came with outside, having arrived in 2 vehicles. Presumably, one was left outside and they walked into this particular place to orchestrate the attack. We're told that what we know right now, having spoken to the Director of Criminal Investigation, is that he says that they have run the plates and they already, it is no longer a mystery, in his words, saying that it is no longer a mystery, that they have actually identified the owner of the vehicle.